Well, good morning, guys. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Back home from vacation, Disney World, and yes, it was a great trip. I will try to put up a few videos. I know there's some copyright issues that we have to be careful with, so I hope we can do that. But anyway, we got to feed the goats and everything this morning before we head out to work, so let's get that done. And getting ready this weekend to put up Christmas decorations. We made our own manger scene years ago, and they've held up pretty well. But anyway, let's feed these little girls and boys this morning and get them off on the right start. Hopefully this morning anyway. And I am completely out of treats for them, so I've got to run by TSC today. Get them some treats, because they will not like not having treats at all. Not at all. Good morning, sweet girl. Hey, how are you? Does anybody else talk to their animals like their children? You know, I can't help it, but I do. That's the way I am. And we usually have no trouble out of this girl at all. She's kind of on the hefty side. I think we're going to go take her to her sonogram next week. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. I know I don't have any treats, sweet girl. Come on. Come on. Let's get over and get you some food. There we go. Yes, I know you're looking for treats, and I don't have any this morning. I'm sorry. I'll have you some this afternoon, but it'll be dark when I get home. All right. Let's go down here and get the other ones. Get them taken care of. My chores in the morning times don't consist of a whole lot. I know y'all say, well, wow, you don't have but 3 goats. Well, we do, but that's for right now. But then, my son works a double shift at the hospital, and I have to get up and go feed his before I go to work, because, oh my word, y'all, my fingers are not working right this morning. Anybody else have that issue? What do you do when you get old, Tommy? Well, thank you for the encouragement. I know what you're thinking. Hey. Hello, Evie, baby. How are you? There's our other one. They are now happy mates. That's Ryder. And of course, I said Oreo, the little black and white one, he's at our son's house. And we're going to try to breed them if everything goes right. I'm hoping so. There we go. We got everybody fixed up this morning. All right. I will be back this afternoon. You want to say goodbye to everybody this morning? Tell them hello, or tell them goodbye. Give them a kiss. Oh my word, y'all! I tell you, they're fun to have. And there you go. I'm happy to see you too, sweet girl. Yes, I am. All right. And by the way, are you trying to do tricks this morning? You don't ever do tricks. I've got a little food left, but you've got plenty in your bowl. Okay? All right. I've got to get to work. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. And by the way, we will see y'all Friday night live. Let me turn around. We'll see y'all Friday night live on Yogi Hollow Farm with Lisa. She has graciously asked us to. That's my breeches. She has graciously asked us to be part of an interview, and we're going to do that with her. And hey, it's going to be fun. You're going to learn a little bit more about Tommy and maybe my childhood. I don't know what questions she's going to ask. She didn't give me any. So anyway, hey, thank you for watching Monts Family Homestead. God bless you.